2 seconds, 3 seconds. MFA passed. This should not be possible. The Microsoft 365 session still leaves the browser. I will show whether passkeys stop this relay. Watch the red session token. Police did not dismantle Kratos because it guessed passwords. The Hacker News says the kit targeted Microsoft 365 sessions and bypassed MFA. That is the trick. Your password opens one door, MFA opens the second. Kratos waits for both doors to open, then goes after the browser's proof, the session. The green check is real, the safety is not, but one detail decides whether passkeys are the answer or another checkbox. Which site asked the authenticator to sign? MFA did not lose. The login flow was turned against it. Now watch what happens when the fake site asks a passkey to sign for Microsoft 365. 4 boxes, fake sign-in, Microsoft 365, MFA, session token. With an OTP, the fake site relays each answer to the real site. Microsoft returns the session, and the attacker tries to replay it. No password cracking, no magic MFA failure. The red path ends at the token. The blue path begins with one question. Which domain is asking? An OTP proves you have the code. It does not prove you are on the right site. A passkey checks which site is asking before it signs. Wrong domain, no Microsoft 365 signature. That breaks the relay before Microsoft 365 creates a session. Conditional access then adds device and risk checks. Session risk detection can force a fresh sign-in. Revocation kills sessions already issued. Passkeys close the front door. The harder problem is the session already outside it. So no, MFA enabled is not the finish line. The real test has 2 parts. Can the sign-in resist phishing? Can an issued session still be replayed? My verdict, OTP MFA is better than a password, but it is the wrong finish line for Microsoft 365. Prefer phishing-resistant passkeys or security keys. Back them with conditional access, session risk alerts, and fast revocation. A fake domain cannot get a Microsoft 365 passkey signature. Conditional access can demand a managed device. Revocation cuts a suspicious session off. Kratos does not prove every MFA method is broken. It proves the green check alone is a terrible victory screen. Next time Microsoft 365 shows a green check, ask what stops that session from being replayed. Subscribe for the next measured security side quest. The source, limits, and defensive checklist are in the description.